Top 3 Cordless Drill Combo Kits, DEWALT 20V Max * and its competitors. Cordless drills are essential for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The DEWALT 20V Max * Cordless Drill Combo Kit is a leading choice in the market, but it faces stiff competition from brands like Milwaukee and Makita. In this 1,000-word breakdown, we compare these 3 kits, highlighting the pros and cons of each, helping you make the best investment for your needs. 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit *. Overview. DEWALT's 20V Max * Cordless Drill Combo Kit is a trusted toolset that includes essential power tools such as a drill driver, impact driver, and often saws or flashlights, all powered by 20V lithium-ion batteries. Known for durability and performance, DEWALT tools are widely used by contractors and DIYers. Pros. Performance. The drill and impact driver offer excellent torque, ideal for heavy-duty applications. Battery life. DEWALT's 20V batteries provide a good balance between power and run time. Build quality. Tough and built to withstand job site wear and tear. Accessories. Includes a variety of tools in most kits, along with extra batteries and a durable carry case. Customer support. DEWALT offers reliable warranty and service options. Cons. Price. DEWALT kits are on the expensive side, particularly with larger tool bundles. Weight. Tools can feel slightly heavier during extended use. Battery compatibility. Older batteries from the 18V lineup aren't directly compatible without an adapter. Verdict. The DEWALT 20V Max * Combo Kit offers versatility and power, making it an excellent choice for professionals. However, users need to be prepared to invest more compared to entry-level brands. 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Overview. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel series is a premium offering designed for power users. The M18 Fuel Cordless Drill Combo Kit includes high-torque drills and impact drivers powered by 18V batteries with advanced red lithium technology. Milwaukee is known for innovation, including brushless motors and electronic controls. Pros. Battery performance. Milwaukee's red lithium batteries deliver longer run times and enhance durability. Torque. Milwaukee drills and drivers often outperform competitors in torque delivery. Brushless motors. The inclusion of brushless motors extends tool life and improves efficiency. Innovation. RedLink Plus Intelligence ensures optimal performance under heavy loads. Ergonomics. Milwaukee tools are well balanced, reducing fatigue during use. Cons. Cost. The M18 fuel kits are among the most expensive in the market. Size. The tools are slightly larger, which might limit their use in tight spaces. Weight. While balanced, they are still heavier than competing models. Verdict. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Cordless Combo Kit is a high-performing choice, ideal for contractors and professionals who need extra torque and durability. The higher cost is justified by advanced technology and tool longevity. 3. Makita 18V LXT Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Overview. Makita offers a strong contender in the 18V cordless tool category. The Makita 18V LXT Cordless Drill Combo Kit includes high-quality tools with fast-charging batteries. Known for a blend of performance and ergonomics, Makita tools appeal to professionals and hobbyists alike. Pros. Lightweight design. Makita tools are lighter, making them easier to use for long periods. Fast charging. The LXT battery system charges quickly, reducing downtime. Build quality. Makita tools are durable and reliable in various environments. Ergonomics. Compact design allows for better control and access to tight spaces. Value. Makita kits offer competitive pricing for the features included. Cons. Battery life. Some users find Makita's batteries don't last as long under heavy use. Torque. While adequate, the torque is slightly lower than DEWALT or Milwaukee tools. Limited innovation, Makita lags behind Milwaukee in terms of advanced electronics. Verdict: Makita's 18V LXT cordless drill combo kit is an excellent value option for users who need reliable tools without breaking the bank. It offers a great balance of performance, ergonomics, and price, though it may not match the sheer power of Milwaukee's offerings. Conclusion: each of these cordless drill combo kits offers unique advantages. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit * best for users who need a durable, reliable toolset with broad versatility and excellent battery life.